What I always think of when I think of the Jurassic films is you're dealing with dinosaurs that are more dangerous and terrifying than you could possibly imagine.
It's why you come to see a Jurassic film. I think you want to be scared.
On the island we're headed to, 24 species have survived there alone.
Theme park owners did experimental work, leaving only the worst ones here.
Jurassic World Rebirth is about a special ops group that goes on a clandestine mission to recover blood samples from 3 different types of dinosaurs.
If we get this DNA,
millions of lives are saved.
There's this sense of urgency about it.
Let's go.
The movie has a lot of very scary, very intense, kind of relentless moments.
Hey! It is a thriller. You are trapped on this island.
It just leads to this constant upping of the stakes.
Duncan!
which I think makes for incredible cinematic experience.